Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you another unboxing. The unboxing for today is this box. This is from Amazon. Okay, so let's see. Let's open. Okay, so let's open, guys. So, let's cut. Oh.
Oh.
Oh dear. Okay, bear with me, guys. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Okay, so okay, let's see what's inside. It looks very light, so this is nothing. This is, oh, so it's a microwave plate. Okay, let's
Microwave
put this.
steamer.
So this is a steamer to use in the microwave.
Yeah.
So this is amazing. So it looks like a container.
Yeah, you can use it as a container as well. And put stuff in it and put it in the fridge or in the freezer.
Also, it can go to the fridge and the freezer.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is amazing.
The main use is as a steamer for
And
the microwave.
It just click like that. So it's very nice. I like it. And this is the thing there that if you push down. Oh.
When you are steaming, you open that before you start steaming.
Oh, so the steam will come out from
Yeah.
this hole. So there is a hole in there. Oh, so this is very nice. But it's small, is it?
Yeah,
It's,
they are very shallow.
yeah.
They had bigger ones, but they are the same, just as shallow, just bigger in size.
So this is
not
the
deeper.
inside thing, and there is a slot in there. So
So
when
put
you
a bit of butter
Yeah.
in there and put that on top, and then the stuff
Yeah.
you're going to steam on top of that. And then close the lid, open the, click open the thingy.
and then just like that,
Yeah.
and then you have to. Do you have to click this when you're steaming?
Yeah, close them all apart from the top bit there. The middle
Apart
bit,
from
yeah,
this.
open the middle bit there on the top.
Oh, open when heating. Oh, so that's it. Yeah, it says open when heating. So microwave. So you can use only in microwave, not in the hob.
No.
Because this is plastic.
Yeah.
But it can withstand microwave.
Yeah. It's made for microwaves.
Also, it's very nice, guys. This if you are watching from New Zealand, this is from New Zealand. It's nice. Look, it's imported from New Zealand. Amazing. It's amazing invention. So you can put water there, and then put the food, and then. So this is it's good for 2 people. Is that? It depends how much you eat. If it's dumpling, then it's good for 2 people because dumpling are very tiny.
Yeah. But dumplings, you can
Yeah.
put vegetables.
Yeah, you cannot put spring rolls because spring rolls is fried
Yeah.
unless you steam it to be healthy. Then
You
it's
can
good.
put dim sum, cheng fung,
Yeah. Oh, so this is
to
the
steam.
thing here for the
instructions.
also instructions. So there's no recipe to follow.
I don't think so.
You should
I
put
think-
recipe. So it's very nice. You can do it just like that. Whatever.
System.
Anything you want to steam. It's very
Asparagus.
useful.
And you got asparagus in the fridge.
Yeah, we get asparagus, so we can do like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just fit the asparagus. Is if it's like this, it's okay. If it's like that, because it's long, it's okay as well.
Yeah,
So the size is just right.
yeah. So
Yeah.
they did have bigger ones, but then it might not fit in the microwave, so
So it
I
needs a
just bought
bigger
this.
microwave. But
Yeah,
there is no bigger microwave
yeah,
anyway. Is
yeah.
there?
The one we had before was bigger,
Oh, see, okay.
just we gave away.
Yeah. So this is very nice. I like it. I really,
It's
really like
useful.
this. Yeah, it's very useful. It's very convenient
Yeah,
because
it's good for quick
it's
steaming.
yeah, it's
Saves
just
money.
quick when you are in a rush,
Yes.
and it's very useful.
Who's this young man?
Hello, my sweet. Hello, sweetheart. All right, okay, guys. So, oh, there's this. All right, okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This microwave plate
Steamer.
steamer. So thank you for watching and happy 2023. All
Yes,
the
happy
best,
New Year.
and may the rest of this year be the best in your life. All right, okay, guys. Thank you. Love, love, love.